10 life-changing advantages of garlic, from heart health to cancer prevention. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a natural health enhancer celebrated for centuries. Packed with bioavailable compounds like allicin, it boasts an array of scientifically proven benefits to support your overall well-being. In this guide tailored for health enthusiasts, we'll explore the wonders of garlic through a scientific lens and reveal why it deserves a place in your wellness routine. Garlic's potent antifungal and antimicrobial properties stem from its active compound, allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. This compound exhibits remarkable activity against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Studies highlight its ability to inhibit pathogens such as Candida albicans, a common cause of yeast infections. Incorporating garlic into your meals or exploring garlic-based supplements can serve as a proactive measure to enhance your microbial defenses. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties extend to wound care, offering potential as a topical treatment to reduce infection risks. By leveraging garlic's natural antimicrobial arsenal, you can strengthen your body's resilience against external invaders while enjoying the rich, earthy flavor it adds to your dishes. Your immune system is your primary defense against illnesses, and garlic is a treasure trove of immune-boosting nutrients. Rich in essential vitamins like C, B6, and selenium, garlic empowers your immune response to function at its best. Selenium, in particular, plays a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress, a major factor in immune weakness. Scientific research affirms garlic's ability to increase the production of white blood cells and natural killer cells. These cells are like the soldiers of your immune system, seeking and destroying harmful pathogens. Its traditional use in warding off colds and flu has been validated through modern studies showing reduced frequency and severity of these infections among garlic consumers. If you're looking to fortify your immune armor, especially during the colder months, including garlic in your daily diet can be a simple yet effective strategy. From raw cloves to garlic-infused teas or supplements, this natural remedy offers science-backed immune defense. Hypertension affects millions worldwide, but garlic offers a natural, scientifically supported solution for managing high blood pressure. Acting as a natural ACE, angiotensin-converting enzyme, inhibitor, garlic promotes the relaxation of blood vessels, improves circulation, and reduces vascular resistance. Multiple clinical trials demonstrate garlic's ability to lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels, especially in individuals with untreated hypertension. This is attributed to sulfur compounds in garlic, which stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a molecule responsible for relaxing smooth muscles and blood vessels. For those exploring dietary interventions alongside prescribed treatments, garlic can be an invaluable addition. Its consistent use, paired with a balanced diet and active lifestyle, can significantly contribute to long-term cardiovascular health. However, as with any natural remedy, consult your healthcare provider if you are on medication, as garlic has potent effects that may interact with certain prescriptions. Cholesterol management is a critical component of heart health, and garlic stands out as a natural ally. Compounds in garlic, such as allicin, have been shown to interfere with cholesterol synthesis in the liver by inhibiting certain enzymes. This results in decreased levels of total cholesterol and LDL, low-density lipoprotein, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while potentially increasing HDL, high-density lipoprotein, or good cholesterol. A comprehensive meta-analysis of clinical studies affirms garlic's role in reducing cholesterol levels, particularly in individuals with existing dyslipidemia or borderline scores. Its antioxidative properties work synergistically to minimize oxidative damage to blood lipids, further lowering the risk of atherosclerosis. Incorporating garlic into your wellness regimen does more than flavor your meals. It provides a scientifically substantiated means to promote cardiovascular longevity. For individuals managing diabetes or striving for better blood sugar regulation, garlic offers promising benefits. It exerts a mild hypoglycemic effect by boosting insulin sensitivity and promoting effective glucose uptake into cells. Research demonstrates that garlic can improve the functionality of pancreatic beta cells, which produce insulin. Moreover, garlic's antioxidant compounds protect against oxidative damage caused by chronic high blood sugar. thereby mitigating the risk of diabetes-related complications. Regular garlic consumption has shown to stabilize fasting blood glucose levels, making it a supportive tool for diabetics seeking natural interventions. Pairing garlic with a nutrient-dense, low-glycemic diet maximizes its benefits. Whether you sauté garlic into a veggie-packed stir-fry or pair it with lean proteins, it can enhance not just flavor but also metabolic health. Inflammation is at the root of countless chronic conditions, ranging from arthritis to heart disease. Garlic is teeming with antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds that combat inflammation at its source. Specifically, allicin and other organosulfur compounds target inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing levels of key inflammatory markers like cytokines. For individuals with arthritis or autoimmune conditions, garlic's anti-inflammatory effects offer relief by minimizing joint pain and swelling. Additionally, its antioxidative properties reduce cellular stress, which contributes to tissue damage and further inflammation. Adding garlic to your meals may help calm systemic inflammation, providing both short-term symptom relief and long-term protection against chronic disease development. For health enthusiasts exploring natural anti-inflammatory solutions, garlic is a must-have dietary component. Perhaps one of the most extensively studied properties of garlic is its potential role in cancer prevention. Active compounds like allicin, diallyl disulfide, and organosulfur agents demonstrate anti-cancer effects in multiple research studies. These compounds are believed to work in several ways: by neutralizing harmful free radicals, inhibiting the growth of carcinogens, and inducing apoptosis, cell death, in specific cancer cells. Populations with high garlic consumption often exhibit lower rates of certain cancers, including gastrointestinal and colorectal cancers. Clinical findings also point to garlic's ability to enhance the detoxification of carcinogens, adding an extra layer of cellular protection. While promising, it's important to note that garlic's anti-cancer properties work best as part of a varied diet high in other phytochemicals and antioxidants. Garlic does not replace medical treatment, but complements a healthy lifestyle geared toward prevention. This makes it an invaluable choice for health enthusiasts invested in long-term wellness. With so much to offer, integrating garlic into your daily routine can be both flavorful and functional. To maximize its health benefits, crush or chop garlic raw and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This activates allicin, the star compound responsible for many of garlic's therapeutic effects. For those who find raw garlic too pungent, roasted or sautéed garlic still delivers plenty of antioxidants and inflammatory-fighting compounds. Pair it with whole grains, leafy greens, or lean proteins to enhance not only the nutritional profile of your meal but also its taste. Alternatively, aged garlic extracts and supplements provide a concentrated dose of its active compounds, ideal for individuals on the go or with dietary restrictions. Garlic is more than just a health enhancer, it's a culinary delight. It bridges the gap between scientific wellness and flavorful living, making healthy choices easy and accessible. Whether you are a health enthusiast eager to explore functional foods or a home cook experimenting with plant-based nutrition, garlic provides a versatile gateway to both. Garlic is a powerhouse of natural bioactive molecules that work synergistically to boost health across multiple fronts. From fortifying the immune system and managing chronic ailments like hypertension and diabetes to reducing inflammation and offering potential cancer preventative properties, garlic is a scientifically supported ally in your health journey. As fascinating as its benefits are, it's important to include garlic as part of a balanced, nutrient-dense diet rather than relying on it exclusively for medical treatment. For personalized recommendations, consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're integrating garlic supplements or significantly increasing its consumption. Unlock the power of garlic today and take a flavorful step forward toward optimizing your health.